Today we're making breakfast burritos. Gonna make them pretty similar to McDonald's, and I'm gonna try to make this as easy as possible. And you can change it up any way you want to. But I've got some flour tortillas here, the smaller ones. And I'm just using 3 eggs for now. I'm going to scramble this up in just a minute, but I got salt and pepper in here. And I got some bacon pieces. You can put sausage in it if you want. I like cook up some sausage and grind it up. Or you can make your own bacon and break it up into pieces, but I'm trying to make this really simple. And then I've got some diced tomatoes here with green chilies. So that way I don't have to cut up tomatoes and use diced chilies and cut those up too. So I've already drained the water out of the can here because I don't want my burrito really watery or anything like that. So this is pretty much the basic stuff I'm going to use. You can also put anything you want in your burrito. You can do any kind of peppers like bell peppers. You can put onions, anything you want in, but I'm just trying to simplify it here because I'm trying to save some time. I put a little bit of milk in the eggs here and scrambled it up with a fork, and this is what it looks like. Melted a little bit of butter in the pan. Got the scrambled egg mixture in the pan, so now we're going to wait for it to heat up a little bit. Then we'll start moving it around with our spatula. You see here it's starting to come together, and I'm going to chop it up with the end of my spatula. The eggs are now done, or the scrambled eggs are now done. It was cooked really fast, so you have to keep an eye on it. If you want to cook even faster, you can actually put the lid on the top of the pan, and that'll make it cook quicker as well because it holds in more heat. Put the scrambled egg in the burrito. Put some bacon bits on the burrito. Put some diced tomatoes with green chilies on the burrito. Put any spices that you want on the burrito. And I forgot to tell you in the beginning of the video that we also need to add some cheese on top of the burrito. Added some cheese on top of the breakfast burrito. And now I'm about to put it in the microwave between 20 and 25 seconds to heat it all up. Here's the keto version of the breakfast sausage burrito. I got the same thing in the bowl that I actually put in the burrito, just without the tortilla or soft taco, whatever you call it. And I also want to tell you one more thing. Instead of putting the green chilies with the diced tomatoes, the can of it, you can actually buy some pico de gallo or make your own pico de gallo, and you can actually replace it with that. So there's different ways you can make this burrito or keto bowl. So I really think you're going to love the taste of this. And this is good for people that are diabetic as well. And there you have it. I just heated up the breakfast burrito. So all you got to do now is just roll it up and eat it. And what you can also do too is you can make these, a bunch of these, and you can actually put them in your refrigerator. And every morning for breakfast you can have one. You just grab it out of the refrigerator and you just eat it. You know, and that way you don't have to worry about stopping at a fast food and paying for breakfast, and you'll actually have it ready, and you'll be on time for work. So if you make ahead of time, that actually helps out a lot. So actually this is a lot bigger burrito than McDonald's. So actually one may actually fill you up instead of having to order 2 or 3. And if you want, you can also put some salsa on it, you know, to make it taste better as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos. Thank you for watching.